What you watching, there, buddy? Declan, just roll over already, buddy. You're almost there. You're almost there. Can you just do it? So you can watch him. Look how close he is. Just do it. Oh, just do it. Yay! Declan! You did it! He did it, Titi.
Now is he going to roll over?
He already rolled onto his belly for the first time. Oh, is your arm stuck? There you go. Declan!